Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel. If you have never seen this face before, I feel bad for you, son. But hello, welcome in. I am Candace. So today, I'm really excited for this because I got thumbnail. I got my Colourpop, and this is the Colourpop. This is the Colourpop Animal Crossing collection. I bought the whole collection, and I feel like I have had no reason to tell you, but I am a big Animal Crossing fan. This is my little Switch. I have, not to brag, but to brag, like 40 million bells because I be doing that. I be selling turnips, baby. Also, it's a message from Tom Nook. And he says, I have these made especially for island residents. So if you know, you know. So first, I just want to point out, they come with this little sticker sheet. I am so grown. I don't know what I'm going to do with stickers, but I'm probably going to use them somewhere. And there goes Elizabeth, her little useless. We have the Balloon Pop Super Shock Shadow. I don't think it's supposed to be like that. Oh, mine's all crumbly and like, oh, that just went everywhere. Looks like this. It's kind of like a rose gold. It's like a hint of almost like a silvery finish. I don't know. It's kind of tough to describe. Let me get a makeup wipe at this point. I'll just swatch the palettes on my hands, and then I will actually swatch the lip products on. So is La Belle of the Ball, and it's got the Able Sisters on there. Oh, I'm about to nerd out, y'all, because I know names and all that. And this is going to be the purple shades. So I really think they're very pigmented, very pretty, very pretty. Got the Nook Ink one. So it's got Tom Nook and the little Nooklings. And this one has, oh, cute, they have cute little names. So this one's gonna be like a green. Okay, like a green, seafoamy green. The green has been super, super popular too. So they each seem to have one of these like glittery colors, a duochrome, and then a matte, and then also a kind of a pastel with like a hint of a glitter. And so those are going to be your green. Now, What a Hoot with Blathers and his sister. And this I'm actually really excited for because these are really like warm. We've got like a coppery, we've got like a gold, we've got like a dark cream kind of a color, a brown. So this is going to be the neutrals palette. This one, now the brown one doesn't have a duochrome in there. It just has like a shimmer shadow. And so these are going to be your brown, coppery, neutral kind of colors here. Now I will say this one, the cream kind of color did go on like a little bit chalky, so I would watch out for that. Last but not least, let's swatch the pinky one. We've got 5 Star Island, and these are gonna have your pinks and a little splash of yellow. The pinky one is actually super cute. The fact that they just threw a little pop of yellow in there, I think is kind of adorable. That dark pink is kind of, that's a little chalky, I'm not gonna lie to you. The matte with the shimmer in it though is actually super. Y'all probably hate me for swatching like this, like commenting on it as I'm swatching, and then, oh, this yellow is like a duochrome. Wow, it's like a duochrome. It's like a yellowy, but also kind of like a bluish green. I thought it was just yellow. Super pretty. So that is going to be your, it's going to be your matte, your shimmer with a little glitter, the duochrome. It actually looks just kind of like green on this, on the monitor, but it's actually like a yellow green. And then you're gonna have your pastel pinky glittery color. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That is it for the palettes. So then you're gonna have a Billionaire Glitterly Obsessed Glitter Gel. Oh, it is like a gel. It's like a gold leaf, but like a gel texture. That's a weird texture. I bet that would be just popping, honestly. Okay, so we're gonna swatch it. Let's just swatch it. Boom, right here. Wow, it almost feels like when you were a kid and you used to play and they would give you like the little play makeup, you know? and it was like that weird like jelly consistency, but it had like glitter and stuff. That's literally what it feels like. So this is the glitter. And then we've got 2 blushes. Blushes might not be that black girl friendly. So let's swatch the Flower Power first. This is gonna be like it's got a little bit more of just like a tiny bit of like a silvery flake, and it's gonna be a really powdery pink purple. It's like a powdery pinky purple. Okay, so can I put this right here? Is that gonna be weird? Let's do it right here. Yeah, it's showing up real bubblegum pinky purple. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna be for me, not gonna lie. And then let's try the Flower Power. This kind of actually puts me in the, like, kind of just the mindset of like NARS Orgasm, just because it's got like the peachy color, but it also has like that undertone of like gold in there. And I'm sure I don't mean undertone, but I can't think of what I'm trying to say. Yeah, so then you can see this one's slightly pinker, but I don't know, it's kind of a real baby pink, so I don't know. I already have on blush, or else I would probably try it on my actual face, but yeah, I don't know about the blushes. The next things that we have are these little lip tint kind of duos. So we've got Pick Up the Bunch, which is coconut, oh, and the pear, cute. My Island has peaches. So this one is Incomparable, and this is going to be the lighter of the 2 shades. So, oh my god, that smells amazing. Okay, so this is the pear one by itself. Try the darker, which is Coconut Juice. Burgundy bricky kind of a color. I actually really like this one. This is super cute. I like it. I like the feel of them too. They're very, I don't know. They feel very hydrating. They're actually a little more pigmented than I thought. They smell amazing. Wow. They actually smell, I think they smell like the fruits that they're supposed to be. So not mad at that. Okay. So then this one is going to come from the apple and the cherry one. We've got Juicy Apple and Cherry Cherry. Right, Cherry Cherry first. I'm not a pinky berry, like bright color like this, but actually kind of a really pretty like juicy pinky color. It's like a little fuchsia. I'm actually not mad at that. This is kind of a vibe. So the other one is the Juicy Apple. That's actually kind of, it's actually kind of pretty actually. And the orange. Shout out to the peaches. These ones are Peach Surprise and Orange Cutie. So let's try Peach Surprise first. I'm praying this is gonna be like a nude. It's okay. It's not really enough. It smells kind of, it smells alright. Dang, Peach, I was rooting for you. Yeah, that one's probably one of my least favorites. It's like a weird peach pink color, and I feel like it doesn't smell as great as the other one, so Orange Cute. I'm scared it's gonna be really orange. I do not wear orange lipsticks, y'all. Yeah, the orange and peach do not smell as good as the other ones. It almost just smells like, I don't know, synthetic flavors. I don't know. It's not as good as the other ones. This color is weird. I don't know. It's kind of weird. It's like not really pink, not really orange. It's an odd hybrid of the two. What do y'all think? I don't know. I feel like I could live without this one. I think that's everything. That is everything. Okay, so favorite so far, I don't know how to choose. The palettes, actually that pink is so pretty. Like the greens and aquas are just beautiful. Like look how pigmented the matte ones are, you know? This brown one, I wish was just a tiny bit more pigmented, but the other colors, oh, that does it. Like the coconut one, coconut juice. That is more my speed. I think this collection is so freaking cute. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed my swatch. If you enjoyed this video, do not leave here today without subscribing. I can see my analytics and I know y'all like subscribing and I don't know why you're not, so you should just do it. Other than that, I'm gonna get out of here. So I love you all. Thank you for watching yet another video by me. Guys, you're the reason I do this.